Well, this is a very interesting story. A local school district is allowing some staff to carry guns. This after Governor Mike DeWine's signing of House Bill 99, which allows school personnel to be armed. The Streetsboro School Board passed a resolution to allow that. That happened earlier this month. It allows certain employees to volunteer to carry guns. Teachers, however, are excluded. This new program builds on the district's proactive response team that did allow staff to be armed from 2017 until 2021, before firearms in schools were banned. The district says that the program's mission is to, quote, identify threats and, if possible, stop a violent attacker from killing students and staff. Those who do agree to carry a firearm will need to undergo training before ever carrying a gun on school property. This is per Governor DeWine's orders.